Digital Media House.
HTML consists of elements that define parts of a web page and its content for certain purposes. HTML elements are recognized by their tag names, written with an angle bracket, also called an alligator bracket, on each side. There are dozens of HTML elements, such as IMG for image, P for paragraph, and HR for a horizontal rule. HTML is not case-sensitive, but lowercase is common practice. Most elements have two tags, a start tag and an end tag. They are the same, but the end tag includes a forward slash. The area in between is known as an element's inner HTML and may contain content or even other elements, making them what's called a nested element. For example, the content in the inner HTML, between the starting H1 tag and the ending H1 tag is meant to be a heading, in this case, the largest of the 6 HTML heading elements. Elements that do not have an end tag are called void elements. They do not have inner HTML for labeling content or defining other elements, and have a standalone purpose on a web page. HTML elements also have attributes that help further define an element and give it additional capabilities. HTML attributes are always in an element's start tag and have two parts: the attribute name and the attribute value. This is called a name-value pair. While the attribute name is not case-sensitive, the attribute values are. But it's common practice to write the attribute name in lowercase. To assign an attribute value, simply write the attribute name equals the value with quotes on each side. Single or double quotes will work if both sides are the same, but double quotes are common practice. In summary, HTML elements are structured with a tag name, attributes with values. And if it's a standard element and not a void element, it will have an inner HTML and an end tag to close it.